Hey there, and welcome. Today we're diving into something really interesting. A toolkit for any professional out there who feels kind of stuck and wants to build their own thing. It's called the Community Tribe Package, and it basically promises a new way to think about your work life. So, let's crack it open and see what's inside.
So the whole thing kicks off with this question. And it's a big one, right? Professional freedom. What does that even mean? Is it just about not having a boss, or is it something deeper, like having the freedom to do the work you actually care about? Let's see how this package tries to answer that.
Okay, so at its heart, the Community Tribe Package is an all-in-one system. The whole idea is to give you everything you need, the platform, the strategy, all of it, to build a community completely on your own terms. We're going to start with the core philosophy behind it.
First up, let's talk about the why. Every tool and feature we're about to look at is all built around this one single goal, helping you achieve professional freedom.
And this right here isn't just a catchy tagline. It's really the mission statement. The central idea is that real autonomy, real freedom, comes from building an asset that is 100% yours, a dedicated community of people who look to you for your expertise. That's how you get to work on your terms.
So, the big question is, how do you actually do that? Well, the answer lies in a whole suite of digital tools designed just for this. Let's get into the how behind the promise.
A huge part of this freedom is just breaking free from your desk. I mean, who wants to be chained to a computer all day? That's why this entire system is built to be mobile first. The goal is super simple. Let you run your community from literally anywhere.
So how does that mobile first thing actually work? Well, first, you get what's called a progressive web app, or PWA. Just think of it like a website that feels and acts exactly like a normal app on your phone, but no app store needed. Then you get push notifications to keep your community engaged. And it all syncs up with a mobile website. The whole shebang works right from your pocket.
Okay, so you've got the power to manage everything from your phone. But what are you actually building? Well, the core of the package is a set of tools designed specifically to help you gather and organize your very own professional tribe.
And this is the kind of scale we're talking about, at least to start. The package lets you build a really dedicated micro-community of up to 150 members. This is not about creating some massive, anonymous social network. Nope, it's about fostering a focused, high-value group where you can have real connections.
And these are the specific tools that make it happen. The Aurora Builder is basically your command center for setting everything up. You get a private member directory to keep tabs on everyone, and it also includes a premium tool called Maltix Connect to help you and your members build relationships much faster.
Building a community is one thing, but keeping them engaged, that takes great content. So now let's look at the tools designed for exactly that.
This is the central hub for all your stuff. I want you to think of it as your own personal digital library, where you can share all of your expertise and value directly with your community.
And this is way more than just a place to dump files. It's a full-on content ecosystem. The flow is pretty simple. First, you upload your articles and resources. Then, you've got an AI assistant that can actually help you organize and manage all that content. And finally, you have built-in tools like live chat and support tickets so you can engage directly with your members. It's pretty slick.
Tech is awesome, for sure, but it's not everything. The package also really emphasizes the human side of things by giving you real support and networking opportunities.
Let's be honest, one of the biggest pains of starting anything new is all the setup and admin work. To fix that, the package includes 10 hours of support from a virtual assistant. Their job is literally to handle the setup for you, so all that initial friction is just gone. You can focus on building your community from day one.
And that support doesn't just stop at setup. When you join, you're not just buying a piece of software. You're plugging into an entire ecosystem that's built for networking and helping each other out.
Yeah, this ecosystem comes with some really great perks. You get access to exclusive networking events where you can meet other people building their own tribes. You can even get special discounts from other members. It's all designed to connect you to a much wider professional network and open up new doors for you.
And here's just how big that wider network is. Over 69,000 professionals. And this is a really key point. While you're busy building your intimate little community of 150, you're also getting access to this massive pool of potential partners, clients, and mentors. It's kind of the best of both worlds. Okay, we have covered a lot of ground. The tools, the content stuff, the human support. Now let's put all the pieces of the puzzle together and see the big picture.
When you lay it all out like this, you can see how the whole package really stands on three main pillars. Over on the left, you've got the technology, the mobile app and community builder. That's your foundation. In the middle is the content engine, your knowledge base and AI tools for delivering value. And on the right, you have the human support, from that initial setup help to ongoing networking, making sure you're never building alone.
So at the end of the day, this isn't just a random box of features. It's a unified system where every single part, the tech, the content, and the support, is designed to work together for that one big goal we started with, true professional freedom.
And that brings it all back to you. With a system designed to help you build a community, share what you know, and work completely on your own terms, what would you build? What kind of professional tribe would you want to create?